They whispered to her, "You cannot withstand the storm." She whispered back, "I am the storm." Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Allow your body to settle. Let your shoulders soften. Unclench your jaw. Rest your hands wherever they feel comfortable. Another breath in and out. You are safe here. This moment asks nothing from you except your presence. Let the noise of the world fade into the background. This time belongs to you. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast landscape. The sky is heavy. Clouds gather. The wind begins to rise. Around you, voices emerge. Old voices, familiar ones. You are not strong enough. You won't survive this. This is too much for you. They speak softly, almost kindly, but they create fear in your mind. Notice them without resistance. You do not need to fight them. You simply observe. Because doubt is loud only when belief is quiet. The wind grows stronger now. Rain begins to fall. Thunder rolls across the sky. This storm represents everything that once tried to break you. Every setback, every rejection, every moment you felt small. And yet, you are still standing. Feel your feet rooted into the ground beneath you. Strong, unmoving. As the storm intensifies, something within you awakens. A quiet strength. A steady fire. Remember this truth. You were never fragile. You were becoming. The voices return, louder now. You cannot withstand the storm. Pause. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, feel your spine straighten. From deep within your chest, from a place older than fear, you respond, not with anger, not with force, but with certainty. I am strong. Say it silently to yourself. Again, I am the storm. Feel the surge of energy flow through you. Notice how the wind begins to move with you. The thunder follows your rhythm. The rain bends to your presence. Because courage is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to stand anyway. With every breath, your body grows lighter, stronger. Your heart beats steadily, confidently. Each beat says, I am here. I am capable. I am enough. Imagine a warm light igniting at the center of your chest. It expands with every inhale. This is your self-belief, your self-trust. Let it flow through your arms, your hands, your legs, your feet. Remember, she didn't wait for permission. She remembered who she was. You are not here to survive quietly. You are here to live boldly. Now, allow these words to settle into you, gently and deeply. I trust myself. I trust my journey. I meet challenges with calm and courage. What rises against me only reveals my strength. I do not shrink to fit fear. Fear bends to me. I am grounded. I am resilient. I am powerful beyond measure. Let each statement land like an anchor inside you. The storm begins to soften. The rain slows. The clouds slowly part. A calm sky emerges. Clear, vast, open. This calm is not weakness. It is earned. You realize something now. The storm never came to destroy you. It came to introduce you to yourself. And you smile. Because you know, strong souls don't fear storms. They learn how to dance in them. Take one final deep breath in and slowly release it. carry this strength with you into your voice, into your choices, into the way you walk through the world. Whenever doubt whispers again, you will remember you are not waiting to be saved. You are not waiting to be stronger. You are the storm, and you are the calm that follows. Gently return to this moment, grounded, confident, and assured